Welcome to our JavaScript events tutorial. In this video, we will cover the basics of events in JavaScript and how to handle them. Events are an essential part of JavaScript programming, allowing us to respond to user interactions. There are many different types of events in JavaScript, each with its own specific use case. Event listeners allow us to respond to events by executing a function when the event occurs. Event handlers are functions that are called when an event occurs. The event object provides information about the event, such as the target element and the type of an event. We can prevent the default behavior of an event by calling the prevent default method. Event delegation allows us to handle events on multiple events using a single event listener. Following best practices for event handling can help improve the performance and accessibility of our code. In the next video, we will explore more advanced topics in JavaScript programming. There are several advanced techniques that can be used with async await to improve the performance and readability of our code. Async await is commonly used in real-world applications to handle asynchronous operations and improve the user experience. Following best practices for async await can help improve the quality and maintainability of our code. There are several common pitfalls and mistakes that can be made when using async await. By being aware of these pitfalls, we can write more robust and maintainable code. I hope this video has helped you understand async await better. Thank you for watching.